Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be setting up a planner for one of my coworkers. Now in the past I have given my coworkers planners. I usually give them the ones that I'm sent that I don't use, and that usually includes, if you're familiar, I sometimes get sent Blue Sky planners. But for me, those planners, they're really, really pretty. I feel like for just normal planning, basic planner, it's really good, but the paper quality isn't the best. You can see the pen through the paper. So it's for like us who are more involved with our planners, that's not like the best type of planner to use, especially just because of the paper. But they're really, really pretty planners, and I've given them to my coworkers, and I've had a couple of them actually use them, which is super nice. But this particular coworker, I'm always giving planners, and she can't follow through with using them. So I was talking to her last week, and I was telling her that she kind of needs more of a planner like I'm using. And for me, I use a monthly planner from the Happy Planner, which is this one right here. So it's basically just checklists. So this is the planner that I'm currently using at work. And I like this because I'm not restricted to a day. It's just checklists, and I'm able to just use one page, mainly each week. So that's how I use this. So I told her I think she needs something more like that kind of setup. So I told her I was gonna make her a planner. Her birthday's actually tomorrow, so I figured this would be cute to give. We're gonna do like some cake and balloons for her, so I figured to give her her planner on the day we're doing that, which isn't her birthday, but because she's taking that day off. But I figured to give her this whole setup so that way she can use it when she comes back. So I have a planner cover. This is from the Happy Planner. This one's not available anymore, but they do have some other great options that I currently have too. And yeah, definitely check out the site and just type in planner covers and you can find lots of options. Live Love Posh, which I have linked in the description, also has options, and so does KellofaPlan. So if you're interested in some like fancier looking ones, definitely check them out. I actually have one of KellofaPlan's planners because I plan on using these discs. So I figured these discs will look nice with this planner. So that's the disc I'm going to use. I have these new monthly dividers, which are from Live Love Posh. She also has some minimal ones like black and white. I'm going to keep those for myself. So I'm going to give these to my coworker because they're just dividers, but they don't have like a monthly. She doesn't need a monthly. She just needs paper. And Live Love Posh also has this great checklist paper, which is basically like that monthly that I'm using. So it's just checklist all the way down. And I like that this is like a little box up here, so you can label it for the day, or you can label it for the week, however you want to, or you can label it for a category. So that's why this paper is really nice. It's still available. I just checked. There's actually a lot of great filler paper on Live Love Posh's website, so definitely check it out. But yeah, I'm just going to set this up. Oh, I also have, hold please, let me see. I have these. This is another cover from KellofaPlan. This one actually has a little snap. But I'm going to take some of these, which are from the Happy Planner too. I believe they still have these. It's just a nice little pocket. So if she has anything loose, she can just stick it in here. I was going to do a folder, but I think this is a better idea. And actually, I'm going to take one of these for myself to work. Because sometimes the folder is a little bumpy when you write in your planner. So I think that's a better option. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this planner off of the discs so that way I can use the discs. So I'm just going to pull everything out, super easy. And this is a really nice planner from KellofaPlan, and I like that these discs, they don't have like a little heart in the middle, just plain. I feel like for work it's very minimal, which is nice. Okay, so I'm just going to remove all of these pages. Okay, here are the discs. So now I can put them on the planner cover. So I'm just going to snap these on. I think I can get both at the same time. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so yeah, just snapping these on to the cover. It's like a nice rose gold situation going on here, which is nice, pretty. I was gonna do like a pink cover, but I couldn't remember if she was like really a pink kind of person. So I figured this is very neutral and more like it's nicer for work. So that's why I picked this one. Okay, and then next I'm going to put the, oh, let me put the dividers on. So these are great because you can reuse them. So even though we're already like done with January, we're already almost done with February, that's okay. This is what I'm gonna do actually. I'm gonna keep these in the back like that. So they're there, so that way next year, hopefully this works for her. Hopefully. And then she can just rotate these around. Because that's one of the great things about this system is you can just move things around as you need it. So I'm gonna put, oh actually, my bad. I'm gonna put February. I'll just put February in the front, even though we only have a couple days left, because that way she can start using it if she needs to. Okay, February in the front, and then I'll continue on. Let's see if I could do 2 at a time. These are really pretty, all the florals. Okay. And then I have all this paper. So let me go to February. I'm just gonna put 1 sheet in February because again, we only have a couple more days left in February. So this will go in here. And then let's see, I would think maybe this is enough for a day, or sorry, not a day, a week. I don't know, she's got a little bit more things to manage. So I'm gonna give her 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do 2. Okay, I'm gonna start off with 2 sheets each. It's gonna be a very slim planner, but that's okay. It's kind of just the basics, what she needs, and we'll see if it works. And then if it does, we can add more to it, or I can find more things to add. We'll see. I might do 3 sheets though. I think 3 sheets would be better. Yeah, we'll do 3. Okay, so I'm just getting 3 of these sheets. I'm putting them each month. It's July, 1, 2, 3. One, two, 3. Oops. I'm like spacing out over here. Okay. Forgot to turn the divider. September. And then October. And then if I get any like cool new filler paper, I could just give her some and then she can add it to the back. Because everybody's coming out with like really nice filler paper. Live Love Posh, as you can see, and also KellofaPlan has been coming out with some nice sheets. Okay, 3 sheets per month actually did it a good job bulking this up. So that's pretty good. Okay, so there is February. Again, I only have 1 sheet. Oh, actually, I need to put 1 more sheet in here. And April had 1, 2, 3. No, 2. Okay, so I need 1 more sheet in here. I wanted to save some for myself because I haven't used this paper. So I think that's a good amount. That way I could take that to work. Cool. All All right, and then the last thing I'm going to add, yeah, now this is nice and full. The last thing I'm going to add is, I'm just going to add this little sheet in. This is just a pocket, so if she needed to stick something in it, like some paperwork in it, she has that option. I'm going to stick one in the front, and I think in the back. We'll stick 2 in there, 2 little pockets, like so. I think that's good. And then, oh, you know what? I should get like a tab divider. I think I'm gonna try to find a little tab divider. I don't know where, though I have them. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do something a little different. I'm actually going to take a cover just from a planner that I'm not using. I just have a planner. It's an undated planner. Oh, these sheets, actually, I'm gonna stick some of these sheets in too. So I'm gonna take this, and this is what I do in mine. I like to have this in here. I'm gonna put it behind the page because it's just nice to write on something hard, especially if you're writing in the planner. Okay, so I have this here. That way you're able to find your page easily. See, like so, right? And if you open it up, you can just go here and you're here at the page, okay? I also, like I said, I like to write on this cover. Just makes it a little harder because I just prefer like a harder surface. And then also what I do with this is I add like sticky notes on here for important things. It's kind of a dashboard for me, like a little inbox situation that I like to have in my planner. So I'll just like stick sticky notes on here. I don't have this. I use those little mini ones, like the basic ones, the Post-it ones, and I kind of just stick sticky notes on here, just important things, like passwords and phone numbers and just, or codes. I have like codes to the alarm, codes to the temperature thing, things like that I don't want to forget. It's just easy to find it because it's like right here on this thing. It's easy to see it. So I'm just going to stick one in here. I'll explain to her how I use it. But yeah, I'm going to just stick that in there. That'll be like the little divider. Okay. Oh, and actually I'm going to stick some of these because I just realized I had these. We'll see if these work for her. I'll just give her a few sheets of these. I'll just give her a month. This is an undated, like little monthly. No, these are daily sheets, sorry. These are daily sheets. So I'm just going to stick these. I'll give her these. Oops. See what works for her. If that works better for her, then she can get a bunch of those. So we'll stick this in the back. I'm trying to get this all done before work. Actually, it's getting a little chunky now. Okay, I don't want to fill it up too much for her. So I think that's a good start. All right, so that's gonna be her planner. Really excited to give that to her. And also celebrate her birthday at work today because I'm doing this right before work. I had to wake up early just to do it because I fell asleep last night and was supposed to do it last night. But that's going to be my planner set up for my coworker. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.